Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. As you see in the photos, the boat has the light gray hull sides. For power, we've set this boat up with the 300 horsepower Mercury V8, and that's done in the optional white paint. You will have a ski pylon here at the transom. We don't have that set up at the moment, but in the corner at the transom, you do have a live well. You have a fold-away transom seat. It opens up the cockpit space. Two big fish boxes, one on port, one on starboard side. It is a self-bailing deck. The helm seat, we've set this one up with the deluxe leaning post with live well underneath, so you do get a second live well on board the boat. And you have a movable backrest as well. Nice big hardtop fiberglass. This does have the light gray gel coat on the underside. Not sure if you'll be able to see that in the video. We've outfitted this with the outriggers. You have nice white powder coated stanchions for the hardtop, and they integrate really nicely into the console to give you a nice clean slick look. Electronics wise, we set this boat up with the 9-inch Raymarine Axiom. You have a Raymarine VHF radio, your Mercury vessel view gauges, active trim, fusion stereo. Boat is equipped with the windlass anchor, which I'll show you up on the bow. You have your Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator. You have a tilt wheel, nice footrest underneath the helm. The Mercury Virados are going to be digital throttle and shift. As we make our way up towards the bow of the boat, you'll see you have rod holders mounted into the gunnels, an aft coaming bolster that hits right around mid-thigh height. Underneath the console, you have a head compartment. The space is lockable, so you can lock some gear on board the boat. In front of the console, you have a nice double wide seat with some storage underneath, and that does have a drain built in. Another storage compartment in the floor and up here in the bow of the boat. Nice wraparound seating in the bow. As I'd mentioned earlier, the boat does come with the windlass anchor with stainless steel anchor. You have stereo controls up here in the bow of the boat and some additional rod holders. So that's a real quick look at our 2021 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton, and I'll be happy to help you out.